Okay, hello class. Welcome to Sociology 101 online. Really glad that you guys all decided to sign up and are on for first unit right now, which is just the introductory unit for the course. You'll notice up at the top of the screen in the content page on week one that you have a breakdown of a chart, a table that tells you everything you need to do for the week. Now, the way it's set up is that I will put everything in red. That is something that's an assignment. That's a graded assignment. Everything that's in black is supporting materials. That isn't to say that the stuff in black doesn't count, and you should just bypass it, because I guarantee that's how you'll get the good grade in the A, is by reading and looking at all the material in every unit. You're just going to have to do it. Just give yourself up to that one. It's just going to have to happen. And then doing the stuff in the red, make sure that all the things in the red are taken care of. And then check the chart of work up at the top there, on the top of every module page. Do my best to make everything just completely as transparent and step by step as possible for you guys. I'm going to do a short introduction here for myself and the class, but I do want to say before I get going here that you will use the text. I'm not just assigning a text to assign a text. You're going to use it. There'll be some stuff that's on the quizzes. Now, you don't have a quiz this week, which is cool, but there'll be some stuff that's on the quizzes that you'll not have ever heard before in the lecture, and you'll not have heard on any of the supporting materials. That's because it's coming straight from the text. So it's exclusive to the text. So I'm not going to tell you how many questions are coming from the text and how many questions are coming from the lecture and how many questions are coming from the ancillary materials. It's just going to be, it is what it is. You're just going to have to read the text. The good thing is that everything is open note. So you can just take your time and look through the text to find the answers. I don't care if it gets in your brain and comes out on the test. That's fine with me. Open book is kind of how life is. So we don't make people make bridges without using a calculator, or lawyers can refer to their volumes of material and they're doing their work in their office. Doctors use their Palm Pilots. I mean, it's ridiculous. So open notes is fine with me, and people do very well in my class. You just have to do the work. Just log in and do the work, and you're good to go. My name is, like I said, Professor Olson. I am in my 12th year at teaching at Modesto Junior College, and 23rd year teaching total. I recently came back from a sabbatical from the University of Edinburgh, so that's kind of cool. I was a student myself, so I'm fresh off being a student. I was taking some classes there and doing a lot of research. My area of specialty is food behavior, with regard to social context of why we eat what we eat and why do groups eat what they eat and that kind of stuff. This class is an introductory survey class. It's not we don't go in depth in any particular topic. It's designed for you to get an all-over purview of what sociology is, chapter by chapter, topic by topic. It's not going to go into depth in one area more than another. If you're interested in this stuff, certainly, you can go one direction or another. The higher you get in sociology, the more you can specialize in a certain area. I'm going to do the introduction here, and then I'm going to go through and do some narration on the PowerPoint. So you'll see how this will work. So you won't see my face on the narration, but you'll just hear my voice during the PowerPoint. Some units I'll do a lecture, face-to-face lecture like this, and some units it'll just be narration on the PowerPoint. There's a lot of extra credit in the class, so that's a good thing. The final will be no questions that you haven't seen on the quizzes. It's very, very straightforward. Just do your work. You'll get a good grade. So yeah. So like I said, the class is structured around different areas. If you look at the syllabus, you'll see, in fact, I'll go over some of the syllabus with you guys. I'm not going to narrate that one, but I do want to just kind of, let you guys know what's going on that syllabus, so that you can have an idea, what to do and how to plan for things. We start our first week talking about theory. I'm going to break down theory for you and tell you guys the different contexts of theory and the different areas of theory. And we go over critical theory, which is also called contemporary theory, and then classical theory. The next week, week 2, we will go into socialization, a little thing on nature versus nurture, culture. We're going to study culture, cultural capital, and then you'll do some work about your socio-political identity for you, what yours is. And then we'll talk about the sociology of food next. And then family structure. You'll be watching a video, couple videos. I think there's 2 videos in the online class, which is cool. Just give you a break, follow along video worksheets. Social class, we talk about class, and socioeconomic status. Power, we talk about power, how power is separated in our society, and the separation of the areas of power. We're going to talk about deviance, social deviance, and the concept of social deviance and what that means, and deviant behavior. Sociology of emotions, we're going to talk about emotions, and how we categorize emotions, how they affect our lives, how they're socially constructed. Of course, we have race and ethnicity in the unit as well. Let's see, another video, and then some fun ones at the end when everyone's getting kind of burned out. We're going to talk about sociology of sport, health and medicine, which happens to be my area of expertise, the sick role, sociology of media at the end as well. The media one's kind of fun. So you guys got some good stuff to look forward to at the end. All right. Nice to meet you guys. Just do your work and everything will be fine. Email me at olsonk@mjc.edu. Don't email me on the link on the Blackboard website, because that is for turning in your assignments. It says turn in your assignments on it. So that's what that one's for. It's not to email me. Okay. Look forward to having a lot of successful sociology students this semester, and it'll be fun. It'll be really good.